Ever write a prompt that felt perfect, only to get a weird, rambling response? You didn't mess up the words, but you skipped the structure. Most people prompt from the middle of their thoughts. That's why AI gets confused. The trick is to step back and give it the structure it needs. You don't need better wording. You need a better prompt model. In this video, I'll show you the fastest, clearest way I know to get better results. And once you see it, you won't prompt the same way again, ever. So let's dive in. Hello world, I'm Scott Bernstein and welcome to The Passionate Programmer. Welcome to this new playlist, From Chaos to Clarity, Level 1 Prompting. This new series is going to show you how to get better results from AI by thinking more clearly, not prompting harder. In this first episode, we're starting with the tool that I teach everyone, from developers to directors. I call it the COAT framework. Because prompt failures isn't caused by bad grammar. It's caused by fuzzy thinking. By the end of this video, you will know why smart prompts can still fail, what structure AI actually needs, and how to use COAT to clarify your thinking. This small shift will help improve every AI interaction you have. It sounds polished. You think it's great, but it doesn't give you any good results. When your prompts lack clarity, when there's no roles, no relationships, or no goals specified, AI just guesses, and oftentimes it guesses wrong. More words do not equal more meaning. Without a structure, the AI reflects your internal fog. The prompt may be beautiful, but the output is not. The challenge is that AI won't tell you that it's missing information. The user is always right. I think that's the philosophy of AI. So if you don't give information to AI, it just works with what it has, which oftentimes gives poor results. People say to me, oh, I always get just generic results from AI. And I look at their prompts and guess what? Their prompts are generic. If you want to get non-generic results, you got to prompt non-generically. Make sense? So how do you do that? Well, think about what's unique about what you want. Think about presenting the information to the AI in an unusual or different way. Even a little humor can go a long way with AI. AI scans for structure, not for grammar. It needs to know what's happening, what you want, who's involved, and what to do. If those things are missing, it defaults to generalities. Clarity is not about elegance. It's about intent. It's about framing, and it's about flow. Here's how to add structure to any prompt fast. Use the COAT framework, a 4-part mental checklist. COAT stands for context, that is, what is the background? Objective, what is the outcome that you want? Audience, who is it for? And tone, how do you want it presented? These 4 elements take 30 seconds to provide and can save you more than 30 minutes in prompting. What does a COAT structured prompt actually look like? Let's take a look at some examples. Here's a poor prompt. Write an article about Agile. It's a generic prompt. It would create a generic result. Here's a better prompt. Act as a team coach writing to technical executives. Your goal is to show how Agile reduces risk. Create a 5-part article outline. This is very specific, and it gets very specific results. How about in planning? Here's a poor prompt. Help me plan a course. Here's a better prompt. Act as a curriculum designer. Provide a 4-week intro to prompting for technical managers and suggest weekly modules. Here's a brainstorming prompt. Give me marketing ideas. Let's improve it. You're a brand strategist. I'm launching a coaching program for product managers. Give me 5 campaign themes. If this is already making your prompts better, hit the like button and subscribe, because this series is just beginning. When you use COAT, you start to clarify your own goals before you begin typing. You stop rambling and start resolving. You communicate better with AI and with other humans. Code turns prompting into a leadership habit. And that's why I love it. Prompting well isn't about using magic words. It's about thinking clearly, structuring your ideas, and leading the conversation. That's what code helps you do. In the next episode, I'll show you how to build mental models that guide your prompts and make AI more reliable, useful, and aligned. I'll see you there. Happy prompting.